Have you ever wondered what will happen if you put minus 0.5 inside the factorial? Well, the answer is square root of pi. You might ask, how is that even possible? Factorials are product of all the natural numbers from 1 to n, restricting its definition to only natural numbers. But two brilliant mathematicians, Bernoulli and Euler, came up with the gamma function, which looks something like this. Function is that it follows the multiplication theorem, where gamma n would be n into gamma n minus 1, just like the factorials. But still, it may question that how can such a bizarre formula exist for a general formula or the factorials? To answer that, we have to learn how can we derive such a formula.
To find the gamma function, we would need to first find an equation representing n factorial. That equation could be the nth derivative of x to the power minus 1. Due to the power rule, the coefficient would trickle down and get increased by 1. This leads to a general formula including n factorial. Let's simplify it by multiplying both sides with negative 1 and substitute x to negative 1. This leads to only n factorial. Only thing we have to do is find an equation for 1 upon x. We can use the integral of e to the power tx with respect to t, which will evaluate to e to the power tx upon x. Now we can set the lower limit equal to 0, which will lead to 1 upon x, and the upper limit to infinity. As x is negative, this will evaluate the exponential to 0. And we got 1 upon x. So let's put the whole integral in the differentiation, flip in the differentiation, and substitute x equals to minus 1. And we got the pi function. Offsetting it by 1 leads to the gamma function.